diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. I've always had a goatee, and now
What?
you lose a lot of things. You know?
I was getting a video of him eating cat.
Dog eats cat.
Dog eat cat.
You come home.
He's like chewing on his ear.
Get on the floor and play with me today. You know, Portland some days Daddy needs to go rest.
We were saying one day Sam is gonna murder the dog.
Oh yeah.
And we're just gonna walk in to something that looks like a crime scene.
Yeah. But there's gonna be blood all the way around Sam, but none on Sam.
Except his paws, which he's licking the blood off of.
Like there's gonna be a ring of blood around, like scattered body parts, and then Sam's gonna be in the middle, like with nothing on him. Look at him.
Oh my god, getting vicious.
Look at the cat's tail.
You notice how, yeah, Sam loves it because he's still wagging his tail.
No, that's his irritated twitch.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
He's like, let me fix up your. He's like, let me fix up your back for you.
We'll just get some holes in that for you.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
John is missing this.
Oh, don't worry. It's all being recorded.
I just want to see the cat.
He's like licking the inside of his ear.
Cat's just like, okay.
That just happened. He's trying to get him agitated so he can play with him.
You might have to.